Hello friends, this is our question. Let's find the real value of x. So our equation is 4 is equal to square root of x root of 8 upon square root 2. If we squaring both sides, this square and square root get cancelled out. So we have 4 square is equal to x root of 8 upon square root of 2. 4 is 2 square and 8 is 2 cube. So we can write it like 2 square whole raised to 2 is equal to x root of 2 cube upon square root of 2. If we have a raised to b whole raised to c, then it will be a raised to b times c. According this rule, these 2 can multiply. So we have 2 raised to 4 is equal to x root of 2 cube upon square root 2. Now in the next step, if we have x root of a, then it will be a raised to 1 upon x. So according this rule, this part can be written as 2 cube whole raised to 1 upon x. Square root 2 can be written as 2 raised to 1 upon 2. Now we can multiply these two. So we have 2 raised to 4 is equal to 2 raised to 3 upon x upon 2 raised to 1 upon 2. In the numerator and denominator we have same base. So if we have a raised to b upon a raised to c, then it will be a raised to b minus c. So in the next step, 2 raised to 4 is equal to 2 raised to 3 upon x minus 1 upon 2. It's the same base both the side, so we can equate their exponent. 4 is equal to 3 upon x minus 1 upon 2. Let's change the sides. So we have 3 upon x minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 4. Let's move this 1 upon 2 to right hand side. So we have 3 upon x is equal to 4 plus 1 upon 2. If we take LCM, so it will be 8 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. So 3 upon x is equal to 8 plus 1 upon 2. So it will be 3 upon x is equal to 9 upon 2. If we divide with 3 at both the side, these 3 and 3 cancelled out and 3 3s are 9. So we have 1 upon x is equal to 3 upon 2. So x is equal to 2 upon 3 is the answer. Now let's check our answer quickly. So our given equation is 4 is equal to square root of x root of 8 upon square root 2. Putting x is equal to 2 upon 3. 4 square is equal to 2 raised to 4. So x is equal to 2 upon 3 is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. We will meet in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.